everyone, xin chào mọi người. Today we are doing a special surprise chest arrive open. Minnie Mouse surprise.
Okay, Minnie Mouse.
Daddy.
What do you have?
Good cookies. See, start to drop down. There. Hey. There's a cookie.
It's a cookie? Okay, what else do you have?
Let me see.
Okay, show me the flyers.
I have this. Pencil.
Let me show your friends, your subscribers all.
This one is
What do you have?
Minnie Mouse sticker. Minnie Mouse sticker.
Minnie Mouse sticker. Okay.
Cookie
And you have a eraser, is it?
pencil eraser.
Yeah, pencil eraser
Cookie.
and a cookie. Okay.
And
What's next?
Frozen.
Frozen. Can I show your friends Frozen? Okay, there you go, Frozen.
Oopsie.
Okay.
Basically.
Yeah. Okay. What do you have?
Anna and Elsa sticker.
Oops. Oh, it's like a 3D sticker. Ah, okay.
Then we have
Okay.
this.
Cookie as well. What else? Pass me the
Lion
flyers.
sticker.
Show your subscribers all.
But no toy.
No toy inside, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and we have this sticker as well. Okay.
Disney plane.
Disney plane.
I already showed. That's a cookie.
A cookie again.
I have cookie one. Then have Dustin sticker. Dustin stickers.
Dustin sticker. Okay.
And a flyer.
Flyer.
And a toy.
Oh, this time around you got a toy, is it? Let me see what kind of toy is it. Oh, it's like a keychain toy.
Daddy.
Yeah, it's like keychain toy.
Disney car.
Okay, Disney car.
Pencil eraser.
Pencil eraser again. This is the Disney Pixel cars. Okay, eraser. Okay, what else you have?
Cookie.
Cookie.
Sticker.
Stickers of Lightning McQueen.
Chip case.
Chip case, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And the flyers. Okay. Flyers.
Star Wars.
Star Wars. Can I show it to your subscribers? The Star Wars eggs.
See? Daddy.
Okay.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Look a few.
Okay. And we've got Star Wars flyers.
Look at this. Look at this.
What do you have? Oh, okay. 3D
The stickers as well.
stickers as well. Who do you've got this? Oh, it's
Cookie.
Han Solo. Yeah. Okay. Cookie. Okay. What's next?
Disney princess.
Disney princess.
Disney princess surprise set. Ariel.
Ariel. Oh, she's very famous, right? Ariel.
Belle.
Okay, there you go, Ariel.
Good. You see, this contains pictures.
Yeah, it's like a 3D card, collectibles card.
Flyer.
Okay, and flyer,
Cookie.
and of course a cookie.
Every which one have a cookie one.
Yes. Okay.
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh. Okay.
Toy.
No, it's a keychain.
Chain.
It's Winnie the Pooh, the keychain. Yeah, it's I think it's the tiger.
Tiger.
Trigger, is it?
Tiger.
Tiger. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh
A cookie.
and Cookie. Winnie the Pooh sticker
Cookie.
and Cookie and
Flyers.
flyers. Show your subscribers. Oh, flyers.
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo.
Yes.
Okay.
A yo-yo.
A yo-yo. Okay, it's a Scooby-Doo yo-yo.
Candy.
Uh-huh.
Candy.
Candy. Oh, this is the first time you had a candy, eh? Okay.
Flyer.
Flyers. And this is Scooby-Doo with the bat is on top of him. And the flyers. Scooby-Doo flyers. Okay.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.